program on e-content development organized at MSFDA Pune brought together educators to explore the evolving landscape of digital learning. The program began on 16th March 2026 with an insightful session on the introduction and need for e-content development led by Dr. Prashant Argade. Participants gained a clear understanding of how digital content is transforming modern education and why it is essential in today's academic environment. This was followed by a hands-on training session on ICT tools for online teaching and learning, where participants explored practical tools and techniques to enhance virtual classrooms and student engagement. In the next session, the focus shifted to creating effective presentations for e-content. Participants learned how to design visually appealing and impactful content that improves knowledge delivery. The day concluded with an engaging session on Moodle as a learning management system, introducing participants to structured online course management and digital learning environments. On 17th March 2026, the program continued with a thought-provoking session by Dr. Deepali Mehakkar on NEP 2020, Digital Nodal Centers and Future Trends in Digital Education. This session highlighted the direction in which education is heading and the role of technology in shaping it. The final session focused on digitization of academic content along with hands-on experience in e-portfolios and reflective assessments, enabling participants to adopt modern evaluation methods. The program concluded with validation of learning outcomes, followed by a group photo capturing the memorable moments of collaboration and learning.